How to link a card in PayPal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily link a card to your PayPal account. So without any further delay, let us just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your web browser, or you can just directly open PayPal application if you have it on your device. And then on the search bar, you can just go ahead and search for PayPal. Now, once you open up PayPal from here, you can just go ahead and click on the login option at the top right corner and then tap on it. Now here you can enter your login credentials with your email and mobile number. I'll just go ahead and enter the password and log into the account. You can also get a one-time code on your phone number to be able to log in if you forgot your password. So here I've entered my login details, and as you can see here, I'm already logged into my account. Now, to link a card, if you haven't already, what you need to do is just go ahead and find card section over here and then tap on link a card. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page where you have an option to add your card details. So basically go ahead and enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and then your billing address as well. Once you have done that, once you've added your card number and expiration date, you can just go ahead and enter your CVV code and then tap on link card. And once you tap on link card, you should be able to link your card right away. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.